Hello there. Today we are going to talk about training your hair, which means going through several days without washing. In my case, I wanted to do 7 days, but you can choose your own adventure here. So this is the very first day with the freshest hair. So this is day 2, and I really like to start off these first few days without doing anything to my hair, just really letting it wave how it wants to. I just throw a little bit of dry shampoo if I need to. This is from Batiste, and I don't do too much because I don't want to build too much product on there. So yeah, this is also Saturday, so I didn't have to worry about having my makeup done because it's just like a low-key Saturday that I'm just gonna run errands. So yeah, that's today's look, and tomorrow or the next day I'm going to try this Way shampoo mousse shampoo. I really love this product. It was revolutionary. It was kind of the first shampoo that was a mousse. And what I like to use this one for is now I want to kind of clean out the hair a little. I'm going to use this round brush from Revlon to just kind of comb the hair back and really give myself a blowout. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make it fluffy and add all of the volume to it because I don't want it to be flat. So I just split my hair, and this is the first time in 3 days that I will be doing my hair like this, which is doing a blowout. So I just like to curl the edges at the bottom and really hold it, at the scalp or at the roots for a while so that it can stay nice and big, and have big hair. So I'm just taking another section and doing the same thing, leaving it at the top of the scalp for a few seconds. And then I'm going to do the other side just the same. So this is a really good curling blow dryer. I really love it. So for the top, what I'm going to do is comb the back pieces back so that I get a lot of volume at the crown. So that's what I'm doing here, and I really love my hair after this. It's so silky smooth and soft, and you would not believe that this is a 3-day hair at this point. Hello again. Today is day 4. It is Monday morning. This is what I have. Last night I woke up with a hair bun, my hair in a bun. And so I decided to do the same thing again today. My hair still feels okay in terms of like oiliness. It doesn't feel too bad, to be honest. All I'm going to do is go in with a little bit of dry shampoo. So I'm basically doing the same thing, using the dry shampoo in the scalp, and then I'm going to use my Revlon curling blow dryer to just blow it out again. Can you see the difference? This side is like fluffed up and this side is a little flat. Fresh hair once again. Last night I slept with my hair in a silk scarf, and I just washed my face, so that's why I was in a ponytail. But this is what my hair looks like now. This is 5-day hair, 4-day hair. I actually lost track. This is what my hair looks like. Still not so bad for not washing my hair for a couple days. It is a little flat here in the back. So that's what we need to work on today. What I'm going to use is a powder. I actually don't know if they still make this. I've had this for a very long time because it doesn't waste. I mean, yeah. Anyways, this is called No Drought Dry Shampoo. It has, what I liked about it when I bought it was that it has magnesium carbonate. I don't know. It has something in it to not only like absorb the powder, the oils, but it has something in it that helps to something in it that helps to clean your hair as well. At least that's what the guy told me when I bought it, or the girl, whoever it was. So what I'm doing is just like really, really meshing this into the scalp. And I'm just kind of doing the same thing that I would do with shampoo and just getting it all in the scalp of my head. And this really works wonders when you don't get it all over your face like I did. It really does work wonders, and I really do like it. Again, I bought this at Lush, and I don't know that they still have it. Also, don't forget to get it like in this back area. And I'm really concentrating this all on the scalp. Much better. Alright, so on this day, I'm not going to use any heat styling product. I'm just going to use a comb to spread that product evenly so I don't have any like powdery patches in the hair. And also to really push down the oils to like the bottom of the hair so that it spreads that oil all the way down to the bottom where I actually need the oil and removes it from the top where I don't need the oil. Sometimes parting your hair a different way. So if you find that you're in the training your hair process and it's like not working out for you, part your hair a different way every time so that it adds volume. So I'm just gonna flip my hair on this side. So yeah, if you feel like it's still not adding, like it's still flat, just part it a different way and that will add the volume because the hair is not used to going that way. So that is it for day 4, day 5. I'm gonna get it right. Hello there. Okay, today is the 6th day with no six. Yes, tomorrow will be the day I can finally wash my hair, although it's not too bad. But anyways, I slept with some kind of a bun. I have these silky hair ties that are supposedly not supposed to leave a bend in the hair. It kind of does, but it's fine. But anyways, this is what my 6th day hair looks like. It's not too bad still. It's still got some like, you know, a little bit of fluff to it, but it is like flat for the most part up here. So I have my next secret weapon. I have this is a dry shampoo foam. This is really to clean the hair, the scalp and everything. So this is by Pantene. It is a foam. So when I get this, I really work it into the scalp just as if I am, you know, washing my hair. Focusing most of it on the scalp because that is what is the most, needs the most attention. Not really the like ends or strands. Also, today is Wednesday and I feel like I am a little tired. So separately, what I do when I'm tired is I put on a bright color that is like energy giving. And for me, that's always pink. But, you know, for some people, it may be yellow or orange or red. So that's just a little separate fashion tip. If you're feeling tired, or like you just don't have any energy, put on a color that will give you the energy. Okay. Also, this color is very similar to my color of the year, Big Bow Energy. I just get all the energy from it, but I'm still using my berry lipstick. Today I have Rebel from MAC. I had this on yesterday too, so just in case you wanted to know what I was wearing on the lips. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is take my round brush again, and I'm going to round brush all my hair. All right, so there you have the difference. This side has been volumized and dried with the dry foamy shampoo, so you can see a little bit of lift to this side. And so now I'm going to do this side. Okay, so my hair has been fully re-blow dried, and now I am ready to go for today. Again, if you want to re-flip your change around your part, that's up to you. So this is my 6th day hair. Let me know what you think. It does look, you know, a little bit shiny. That's really, you know, the oils that I pushed down to the bottom of my hair. But I think for 6th day hair, it looks pretty good. Okay, today is the 7th day, and I had my hair up in my silk scrunchie. I went ahead and took it down, and this is what we're working with today. It is greasy up here, it feels it, but down here it doesn't. Like right around here is where like the grease is, and that's because all week long I've been pushing it down to where the bottoms look shiny. All right, today I'm gonna go in with dry shampoo, and I forgot I did get a little light, so I hope that's better. So first things first, I'm gonna get my Cheat Day by Pantene, and I do go on ahead and get a hefty snowball size amount. It does feel like a snowball. So I'm not just gonna put that on the hair. I'm gonna actually rub it in to the scalp and really simulate that I'm like washing my hair with it. So that was one whole golf ball for one side. Now I'm gonna do another, not golf ball, snowball for the other side. So I'm gonna go back in with my round brush and just brush it out. So there's both sides completely dry or blow dried. Yeah, that's what I do for the hair to train it for a whole week. I did notice this week, because this is basically the second week that I'm doing this, I did notice this week that I didn't need the powder shampoo, the dry shampoo, so that worked out. But any day throughout, if you do need the extra powder, you know, feel free to put that on if you want to train your hair. But this is my second week, so I didn't need the powder. Last week I did need the powder on this day, and this day last week, it looked, on the 7th day last week, it looked pretty bad. I had to put my hair in a ponytail. That's also another alternative, is if you just can't with the hair, which I totally understand, put it in a ponytail and just call it a day, because you're just training the hair to not have so much oil production. So tonight I will wash my hair. I will come back this afternoon and show you what products I use. Hello, so today is finally the start of a new cycle. So this is freshly washed hair. I washed it last night, and this is what it looks like after it's washed. So it feels very, very light. After like all that stuff all week long, it feels like too fresh and too clean. Today is also a new cycle, so it begins again. So real quick, I know this video is already long, but the reason why I chose today, so today's Friday, and the reason why I wanted to begin the cycle today, or basically wash my hair on Thursday, is because I want the freshest hair for the weekend, and my weekend usually like starts on Friday. Today I'm still at work, so I'm not like out, and then tonight if I do go anywhere, I feel like having this type of crazy, or like this type of natural hair is okay. And then tomorrow, Saturday, is usually my no makeup day, so I don't do anything with my hair either, as you can see from last Saturday. And then on Sunday is where I will style my hair for like church and for the getting together with the family on Sunday. So yeah, that is my hair routine. Real quick, last night the shampoos that I used are, they're by Living Proof. And the thing that I used here, the main thing that I used is the Triple Detox Shampoo. This says Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. And this is really like a scalp shampoo. Well, that's what I use this for. I don't wash the strands of my hair. I really wash the scalp with this. And it removes all the buildup from the styling products, pollution, hard water, and minerals. Or I'm sorry, hard water minerals. So when you get it in there, it is like a black formula in there because it has charcoal powder in it. That's why. Color safe, silicone free, and sulfate free. So I leave this on for 1 to 2 minutes all the time because I only wash my hair once a week. So I really want it to really get in there. So I leave it in my hair for 1 to 2 minutes, or leave it on the scalp for 1 to 2 minutes. And I literally like put it on my hands and like just work it into the scalp, just like I did with all the other shampoos that I showed you. And then I leave it in there for a few minutes and just I put on a face mask usually in the shower. Then I go ahead and remove that, and then I shower, or I wash once again using the Living Proof Full Shampoo. This says it adds body and volume because, like I said, my hair is very fine, but I want that like volume. This lathers really nicely, so you don't need a lot, and just get it in there. And I focus this a lot on the scalp as well. Like I'm really working this into the scalp, and like when I'm going in there, I'm like massaging it into the scalp and really trying to, like, you know when you go to the hairdresser and they like work on your scalp and it feels so good and you're almost like fall asleep? That's what I try to do for myself when I do the shampoo. So work it into the scalp, and then I just run it through the strands for it to also clean out, you know, the strands, and then it lathers up. So I leave it in there for a few minutes as well, or for, you know, maybe a minute, and then I go ahead and rinse it off. And then I use the Living Proof Full Conditioner. What I do with this is I put a tiny amount on, and I do not put it in the scalp. I only put it at the ends. So like when I grab a bit, I grab my hair and I just put it like on this bottom part right here. And then I just leave it, and I leave that, or leave my hair like that for a few minutes as well. Maybe 1 to 2 minutes as I'm doing, you know, something else, usually shaving or something else. But yeah, that is, then I just rinse that off. I only put it one time, and I do not put it in my scalp because that is going to, I know it says it's weightless. I don't want to chance it. I don't put anything in the scalp because I do have an oily scalp, and I don't want buildup in the scalp. So that is the routine for the whole week. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you try this and what you think, or if you have your own routine that you do for training your hair. But thank you so much. I know this video is long, so I'll chat with you next week.